Hey everybody, it's MakeupMenaree. Welcome to my channel. This is a little bit different. I wanted to share my office with y'all. To be honest, it's Halloween. This office is sort of spooky creepy. It fits the vibe and I wanted to share it with you guys. I have put a lot of time and energy into this office. It's one of my favorite rooms in the house and it has gone through a huge transformation. So I wanted to just show you guys what we've done, or what I've done in here. All of the big furniture and a lot of the items like the rug and the couch, even the couch I'm sitting on, were from Amazon. So I'll make sure to link everything that I can in the description box below. If you guys have any questions about anything else that's in the office that you guys are interested in, just comment below and let me know. A lot of it's DIY, like I printed pictures off or painted stuff, or had my daughter, she makes a lot of stuff for me as well. Like this big blanket, this knitted blanket, she made that for me. Sorry y'all don't have a daughter like that that can hook y'all up, but you know I do anyway. But yeah, if you have any questions about anything, then just let me know in the comments below and I will try to let you know where I got it or give you the link for it. I will insert some video of what it was before when we first moved in. I just had some hodgepodge furniture in here. It just wasn't comfortable to work in. It wasn't a comfortable space to hang out in, and I just decided probably about 6 months ago to just redo the whole office. If you guys want to see what I did with it, then go ahead and make sure to stay watching.
Okay, here you guys can see the overview of the room. I used to have, in my old videos, you can see all this old setup there with all of my old makeup like decor in the back. There's that same bookshelf I have, but I got rid of a lot of stuff. Like I got rid of that big dresser. I used to have clothes in there and now I've just moved those clothes into my closet. That's the mirror that I showed you guys in the video, or I'm going to show you guys in the video. I'm getting ahead of myself. And this is that poor little vanity that I had before. It was like an old little desk with a mirror. Definitely upgraded there. But there is all of the old decor that you guys probably remember seeing on my old videos. And it's all gone. I gave it away. I repurposed it. I painted over a lot of that, reused frames. When I was saying I DIY'd a lot of stuff, and this was an old desk that we used, that I used a lot, that the kids used to do homework on, and it took up a lot of space and I needed to get rid of it because this office is a lot smaller than my office that I had before. But yeah, this is what the room looked like before we started redoing it. And here's a quick overview of the room now. I kept the same wall color. It is Sherwin-Williams in the color Software. As you can see, I have a lot of books and a lot of plants. A lot of this decor I had in boxes from my grandmother and my mom. So it was nice to be able to go ahead and put all that out. And then my daughter and I do go occasionally to antique stores and thrift stores, and we love Ross. And a lot of the stuff that I got is also from Amazon. So I will make sure to link as much as I can in the description box below. Guys, so this is the view when you walk in. You instantly hit my desk. I'm going to go ahead and come in here and close the door. So you can see that the desk was also from Amazon. I will try to link that for you. The chair was from Amazon. This big shelf over here in the corner was from Amazon. The mirror. I'll go ahead and give you guys a quick little overview. That was also from Amazon. The big velvet curtains for Amazon. And this cute little black velvet couch and ottoman, the gray ottoman, was also from Amazon, guys. And here is the other corner back by the door with my plants and some other things that I have. And then here is this big giant rug that I also got on Amazon. So when I started doing the room, guys, the rug is, I think, what I started with. I had an image in my head of the kind of room that I wanted. I wanted it to sort of be witchy and dark. I had a lot of things from my grandmother and my mom that I wanted to display that had been in boxes for years, because this is not the vibe of the rest of our house. If you guys see the rest of my house, it's very contemporary, very minimal, and I wanted this room to be completely different, which I think I accomplished. It's very cozy in here. All these candles at night light up. I'll see if I can get a view of the night at night so you guys can see in here. It is so cool in here at night. This big mirror was also from Amazon, but it was just sort of one of those mirrors that were sort of more modern. So what I did was bought this trim from Amazon as well and put that on there. Sort of made it a little older looking. So now it fits in here. And as you guys can see, I love books. I love plants, so there's tons of that in here. All the shelves that I have on the bookshelves, those are all from Ross. Vanity was from Amazon, and the ottoman was separate, which I believe also I may have found on Amazon or Wayfair. I will link that, but I love this vanity. Lights, it gets very bright in here so you can see. Maybe I should leave that on so you guys can see better. But it has tons of storage. It fit the color of the furniture I already had in here. So I had this shelf, I believe, in the first video before I did the office, and I loved that coloring. So I was excited when I found this desk, and you can see this is the back of the desk. I did have to raise it a little bit, guys. I had to get creative and raise it a little bit because the stool that I got was not fitting under these thick thighs, were not fitting under the desk, so I had to raise it a little bit, but it works perfect. But I was excited that all of the furniture sort of matched with that dark wood grain. Curtains, this really burnt orange color curtain, also got those on Amazon, and I just love how luxe they look, how expensive they look. They look really, really good, and I just love that against the black and little pops of green. But I love that burnt orange color. My daughter made these. She makes these for us all the time. The owl pillow that I love was from Ross. I made that pillow out of an old bed sheet that we had. And this little couch, you guys, is perfect. It fits in here perfect. I got it on Amazon. I'm going to try to find it and link it. I did see it on Amazon a couple months ago, and it was still about the same price it was when I paid for it when I got it. Perfect in here because I needed something that wasn't so big, but something that, you know, 2 people could still sit on comfortably, and this is perfect. Had it for now 6-8 months, and it's pretty sturdy. Love it. The little stool I found also on Amazon that I love. And then this corner is one of my favorite corners, and I'll have to show you guys video of this room at night, like I said, because it's just a different vibe in here. I do play violin, so that is my actual violin hanging up there. I've had since I was 14 or 15 years old, and I have been able to take that down lately and practice and play. My niece has started playing, so I've been able to give her some lessons here and there, which has been it's so much fun for me. Gives me a reason to take that down and play. Owl art came out of my mom's house. It's one of those big old, I don't even know what they are. It's got lacquer over it, but I've had it for years, had nowhere to display it, and now it fits in here perfectly. So I'm so happy that I'm able to find somewhere, was able to find somewhere to hang that. It was from, I think, IKEA. And then of course all of our plants. I'll try to link a shelf that's similar to this, but I did get this off of, I think, Facebook Marketplace. Because my daughter and I have gotten into more exotic plants. And if you guys want a plant tour, let me know, because we have, I don't even know how many plants, probably close to 100 indoor plants in the house. So yeah, if you guys want an indoor plant tour, let me know, and I'll be happy to share our plants, because that's what I've been into the last year as well. My daughter made me this little hanging owl. She crocheted it, but absolutely is adorable, and when the ceiling fan is on, he spins around. We go thrifting a lot into antique stores, so a lot of my stuff here, like these are really old books from the 30s. This was a poem that my grandma used to read to us when we were little. If you guys want to pause to read, it's sort of a creepy story. She was into all that creepy stuff, and this room actually reminds me of her house. Her whole house looked like this room, so I love it. I went ahead and printed that, had it look antique and then framed, so that is a reminder of my grandmother. Here is the desk area, so just let you guys look at all the goodies that I have on my desk. I just love how cluttered it is in here. But when I tell you guys, the rest of my house is not cluttered at all. So it's just crazy that there's such a huge difference in the way that my house looks compared to this this office. And then just a bunch of other little things that I've had for years. All of the owl items that you see probably came from my mother. That's a picture that my daughter drew of my mom when she was a baby, and she was obsessed with owls, so anything owl related is probably something that I got from my mom. Guys, I have a lot of Edgar Allan Poe stuff. A little obsessed with him as well. This is my office, guys, so yeah, everywhere you look there's something to look at, and it definitely does not look like it did when I first moved into this space and used it as my office. And I absolutely adore being able to work out of this room. It's just so quiet in here. I have a beautiful view outside. We have huge big trees out front. I'll link everything that I can in the description box below, and I will insert some videos of the space at night. Was my office tour. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and like I said, if you guys have any questions about anything that you've seen, comment below. I will link everything that I can think to link in the description box as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you guys want to see anything else, let me know. Plant tour, updates on what I've been doing in the house, just comment below and let me know. We've done a lot of changes in the house. I've also done a lot of work on myself the last couple months. If you guys wanted to see that as well, let me know. But yeah, if you guys like this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.